Hey guys, this is my first video on YouTube, so we're going to start off with cluster truck. I've already made it to the laser level, so I have some perks, like the grappler, which I forgot how to use. Ooh, found it. And that's how you hack the system. Dang it. Our big time goal is just to reach 100k subscribers. Can this video get like at least like 10 views? Maybe 10 likes? Can this video get 10 likes if that's possible? Because, you know, brand new and all. Whoa. I'm going to be posting on my brother's Icy Creeper YouTube channel. So if you want to see more cluster truck, go to his channel. He's also going to be posting some Minecraft videos. So stay tuned for that. But right now, you got me and some cluster trucks. Oh, this is a train wreck. I did it. Yeah, guys, hope you have fun. We have some, go subscribe to Winning Mr. Kill, too. And my brother could tell you some other ones. And he said no. Yeah, since we're new YouTubers, can we please get at least like 3 subscribers from this video? This level is kind of getting hard. What do you mean? What the heck? You will hear me say that a lot because I don't like saying what the heck. I like saying what the heck. I am failing this real quick. Oh wait, I forgot I had time slow. Yes, I am new. Only a noob that they had changed me. What the heck? What are you doing? Oh my gosh, you took out my truck. Watch this, guys. I can do this good. This is a little bit cringy. By the way, if we reach 100,000 subscribers, I'll do a face reveal. Holy crap! Don't you die on me. I couldn't trust that truck, I couldn't. Whoa! Holy crap! Almost died. Did you see that airtime, guys? So, again, I am further ahead in this game, so that's why I have all these perks. But I thought it would be nice to play Cluster Truck with you guys. Don't you dare. Holy crap! This man is dodgy! What the heck? What the heck is wrong with you? I will go for it, more trusting man. Oh my gosh. Can I make? God, I don't have double jump. Yes, double jump is another perk, but I traded it in for grab look, which isn't working for me right now. Oh my gosh. Start working for me, please. How about I play this normally? Okay. That was not time slow. It didn't let me turn. I need to learn to turn my head. I don't know how to turn my head. Oh my gosh. Oh! You, my good sir, are a winner. Finally found the right car. And we're almost done with World 1. We're on the second to last level. And I'm failing. Thank you. I'm literally sucking at this game. Oh my god! Ha! I'm done overreacting. I will only die. That's what I have learned. Whoa! Hazard! This game is loony! If you don't know what loony means, look it up. Whoa. This game's completely out of its mind. This game creator must be sick. Oh my gosh, it flipped me off! Not literally though. Don't look up that, please. Kid, if I make it through here, you should never look it up, okay? Still never look it up. We're a child-friendly YouTuber. Child-friendly YouTuber. We don't say bad words. I could have lived. Oh! Holy crap! I think this level is chaotic. That should be the name of this level, chaotic. How do you just throw someone off without even moving? Yeah, go check out our first real video, our collaboration with, well, I guess we played with our cousins, and I played with my brother, Icy Creeper. So go check that out and subscribe if you have not. Can I make it? Don't you dare die. Don't you dare. Bye. Luck. That was luck, y'all. Go look up what luck is. After this world, we're gonna wrap it up. Then you can see my brother Ice Creeper do his. Yeah, this game creator is sick. Okay. So that is it for now. We have finished one of the levels there. I am trying to finish the campaign. You can see that I'm actually on the laser level, World 4. There's also Halloween and Christmas. Yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!